Up with another talking dickhead video. Okay. So I just gotta remember. It's getting harder to remember things now. So, how good is it to be able to make a Pong circuit? Can it outperform, can a Pong circuit actually outperform a GPU? Well, how many instructions is Pong? It's about 10 or so instructions or something. It's got a collide ball with wall, collide ball with top and bottom, collide ball with racket, add spin. That's all it's got to do. But if you've got a Pong circuit, you don't have to run the instructions. You just run the oscillator straight through it. And then, so then you get, I don't know, the computer, just say it was a GPU, and then it's harder to win because then the GPU gets to run like its cores how many in parallel. But you get to run, if you got one Pong circuit, you can actually run that 2 billion times a second for Pong. So you're at 2 billion frame rate. The computer actually probably wins. But when doesn't it win? It doesn't win when it's not just Pong anymore, and now it's like, if you can make the ASIC. If you can make the ASIC, if it's a large ASIC, then eventually the ASIC is going to win. So I got the idea of like, I could go and buy all these $2,000 GPUs per robot, and then like, I'm out of my wallet by the first robot. But if I can make the ASIC, I can do it myself. And then, as long as I get all those instructions in physically, I've actually got 2 billion samples. And this is like a multi-instance physics engine. The ASIC is just as good as the GPU is. It's actually, it's just as good. Yeah, but is the Pong circuit just as good at running Pong as the $2,000 GPU? Yeah, it's just as good. And it performs about as good if you do it yourself. And so the thing is that, and then the cool thing is I can have as many of them as I want because I made them myself. I screen print all my own computers, so I get as many as I want as long as I can screen print them. But the computers themselves, if you buy the general purpose GPUs, they actually cost like $2,000 each. So you're not even going to be able to afford one of them. But yeah, so it's a lot cheaper, so, and it's about as good. Yeah.